So let me just start off right off the bat by telling you about the number one problem that you'll face as a freelancer, and then the number one skill you need to learn in order to overcome that problem. And when you do that, then everything else that you do as a freelancer gets a lot easier. So that number one problem is probably the thing that you're thinking about and worrying about right now, which is income inconsistency. And it's a legit thing. When you're a freelancer, your income can go up and down and up and down, and you have to be good at managing that. Now, the caveat here is that there's a way around this. And so the skill that you need to learn it's more than just learning how to get clients. It's learning how to build a system to consistently bring in those clients. And that is something that you can do. It's a skill that can be learned, and you can make your freelance income a lot more consistent. Now, you may not know who I am, but my name is John Morris, and I've been a freelance developer for over 15 years now. I'm a teacher here on Skillshare. I've taught over 5,000 students. I'm the creator of the number 3 freelance class on all of Skillshare. And I'm probably best known for in the freelance world for my work with Inc. magazine, building out their Business Owners Council, and probably Michael Hyatt building his platform university, although I've worked with Tim Ferriss on his 4-hour body, some stuff for his 4-hour body. I've worked with Lewis Howes on some of his stuff. I'm married. I have 3 boys. I live in the Ozarks in Missouri. I'm in the middle of building my forever house, as you can see by the construction behind me. But when it comes to this class is all about building that system for getting freelance clients so you can have a more reliable and consistent freelance income. So some of the things that you're going to learn inside the class is I'll teach you how to pick a niche and figure out what services to offer and how to really get that right. So when you put your offer in front of a particular group of people, it's a much easier sell. You don't have to work really hard to do that. Where to get work, how to build an audience of potential clients, how to sell your services, delivering like a pro so that people want to hire you again and again. And then the 3 different ways to go about getting referrals. And my goal for you is for you to then take those skills and build a profitable, consistent, and sustainable freelance business. Now, this is my introductory freelance course, so it is designed for the absolute beginner. So if you are new to freelancing and you want to just start out on the right foot from the very beginning, then this is where you should start. Of course, this is for freelancers, also for side hustlers, or really anyone looking to build a business outside of their regular 9-to-5 job. And what you'll learn can be applied whether you're using a freelancing platform, you're building your own website, or maybe you're just doing sort of all of this networking in person. You can still use these principles. So by the end of the class, you'll know how to methodically build out a secure freelance business that lets you live the lifestyle that you want, and you don't have to constantly worry about your income and where it's coming from. So if that sounds good, let's get started.